What's up, guys? We're gonna be playing some of this game today. It's like right here. Hopefully, if I can figure out how to do that. But stop putting the chicken in front of the camera. But we're gonna be playing with these two goofy goobers. So like, and we're gonna play some Animal Company because there's a new update today, and I honestly have no idea what's coming. So let's go. Now time for fire transition. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a crazy transition, guys. Except this goofy goober no, this is wrong goofy. This goofy goober has to go, and so now it's only gonna be two of us. So, all right, bye. Wait, we're gonna go check out this update. It's already there's like brand new pipes everywhere, but there's a lot of pipes everywhere. So let's go check it out. I think I saw something near the lake. Wait, what the heck is this? You only get 100 company coins, bro. I can get that in like 2 seconds. Oh wait, you get a hard hat? We gotta get, silver and uranium. That should be light work. Let's go, should we do uranium first? No, it's in, sewers. So let's just go get geared up for that. Get a big boy backpack. Like one of these. Actually, we put that in the left. One of these and so we should be good to go. Let's go to sewers. Yo, 10. How many views do you think this video will get? Well, yeah, because those are shorts though. Those are short. Yeah, shorts are a lot easier to get views. I'm guessing it's gonna get like 5 or 6. I don't think anybody's gonna actually spend their time watching a content creator that actually kind of sucks.
Hello?
Who the heck is that goofy goober? Alright, we're just gonna ignore him and see views.
Where are you guys?
Yeah, no. Oh, okay. Oh, well, he didn't get me. Let's see, how do you get me? There's a bomb. No. Wait, where's this thing? Oh, I found it! Just come over here, bro. Where are you? You're getting beat up by him, bro. You just hit them. You just have so health. Guys, we're having some technical difficulties. Alright, we got it. This way. Let's go. Bro, the fan is so loud. Yo, we got a big chunky monkey bomb down there. No, I'm not dead. You got cooked by him, though. Well, you're alive right now. It's the pipe over here, I think. Nah, I think he killed you. It's right here. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. You haven't seen Ghost Lady? Alright, turn off your light now. She's in here. There's a bomb. I don't really want to deal with that guy. Okay, wait, just explode him. My arm stopped! No! Okay, there we go. Oh, I thought you were... How about we just go by him and we know her, you know? Let's go. Whee! Yeah, follow me down. Have you ever done like an actual yeah, this is gonna be your made Oki mad. What? Just jump down here. Jump down into the teleporter. Jump down. Quick, 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 quick! There, did you make it? Alright, there we go. What was that? I heard that. Alright. Alright, reaction fuel. I'm just gonna just hit him with the... Dump all this in there. Yeah, wait, I gotta put some in too. How come every time you put one in, you get... Every time you put one in, you get another hard hat. Let's go get the silver. And yeah, I did it. Alright. Who is this kid, bro? He's just randomly going. I'm literally in mine. Y'all are such slappers. Damn. Oh, I found the pit. What? I found the pit. Guys, get all the silver. You're not even mining silver anymore. You're just mining the gold. We came down here for silver and silver only. As I continue to mine the gold. But hey, that's mine! Mine that fair and square. Teleportation in the back. Blew us up with an RPG. This kid monkey, bro. Hey, no, I swear, bro, if he steals it, get him, bro. Get him out of here, bro. Okay, wait, I think this was mine. Oh my god, yeah, no. Bro, I'm trying to make a video here. You literally just come in here, start shooting RPGs at us. Then now we have to do all this again, bro.
Did you ever tell me?
Yeah, because we were trying to actually film a video. And then you just come in here. Just like this kid, bro. All I wanted. He wasn't even friended me. He didn't even have me friended. That was literally someone else. And now he's getting mad at me. And then he just sent me a friend request. Bruh. Decline. So that was a very interesting video. Alright. That was a very interesting video. Why is my mouth not moving? So like over here, that kid was kind of being... Bruh. Are you serious? Okay, so over here, that kid tried to blow us up. I don't know, wait, so, I did, that's good. They can still hear me though. Anyway, so we had to put in uranium in that thing. And so if we got enough, we didn't actually unlock it because we lost a lot of our materials because that random kid decided to shoot RPGs at us. But once you get all the uranium, you get the top hat, and I think once you get enough silver, if you get 100 silver, then you get 100 company coins, which in my opinion is a scam. So I'd recommend doing that one because that one's a lot easier. You only need 50. So anyways, guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. And for the 2 people watching all the way to the end, I know there's literally gonna actually be no one watching to the end, but if you did, you're awesome. So, bro, shut up. All right. Why even do an outro? There's no one watching.